the coffee, my favorite. Inflationary environments. Prices rise like helium balloons. And inflation is the measure of how prices are rising. And in my book, there's only two important things to consider. Do you own property or don't you? Are you in real estate or aren't you? Those who are, well, that is great in an inflationary environment because you have locked in your price. You've locked in the price you pay. And as prices increase, the price of each brick, the price of construction, the price of everything just increases. And if you don't, well, I strongly suggest you do something about it, because inflation itself is actually not a problem if it stays the same and it's on an even keel. It's when it changes. But put aside that inflationary percentage. It doesn't take a rocket scientist to understand what's going on when you see the price of fuel rising, when you see the price of all the goods and services and food in your local store rising every time you go to the store. When you see construction prices rising, you know a brick last year didn't cost what a brick this year costs. And when we see what government is spending on grants and vaccines, you need to know this will affect your spending power. And your purchasing power will be reduced. And in terms of real estate, well, in fact, anything, you are going to have to start buying smaller and smaller and smaller properties, or less and less and less. So the sooner you make a decision to buy an investment and lock in the price and let that inflation increase your value for you, the better off you will be. Happy investing.